How do I prevent Linux services from auto-starting? I have recently migrated from Windows to Linux, Ubuntu. I am a developer and have installed everything I need, LAMP. In Windows I use to turn off all unnecessary services. I don't need the Apache or MySQL service running all the time. Whenever I needed MySQL I used to use. How do I do the same in Linux? Disabling not needed daemons from auto-starting? Starting them only when I need them?
In most Linux distributions you can manually start/stop services by, as root or using sudo, running the following commands. Which services that are automatically started is controlled by file links in /etc/rc run level. Find your current run level by using the command run level as root. Which here indicates run level 2. Now you just have to remove those files in /etc/rc2.d/ which you don't want started. Removing Apache and MySQL on a desktop is usually okay, but be aware of removing other services.
For Ubuntu versions that use systemd 15.04 and later, use. This will do the job. It will disable the service and won't restart after a reboot. To temporarily enable, simply start the service. Not enable. To find the service name, use. Other commands are systemd start service, use it to start a service. Does not persist after reboot. Systemd stop service, use it to stop a service. Does not persist after reboot. Systemd restart service, use it to restart a service. Systemd status service, shows the status of a service. Tells whether a service is currently running. Systemd enable service, turns the service on the next reboot or on the next start event. It persists after reboot. Systemd disable service, turns the service off on the next reboot or on the next stop event. It persists after reboot.
Ubuntu 10.04 is in the middle of a transition between two service management systems, Syslinit, the traditional system, used by most Linux distributions, and Upstart, a newest system pushed by Ubuntu, and becoming available in more and more distributions. Syslinit service management scripts are in /etc/init.d. You can start the service with /etc/init.d/servicename start, and stop it with /etc/init.d/servicename stop. Whether the service is started automatically on boot depends on the presence of symbolic links in /etc/rc?d, where ? Is a digit from 2 to 5, the run level. The easiest way to prevent a service from starting automatically on boot is to use update rc, the service name disable. Upstart service management configuration files are in /etc/init. You can start the service with start service name and stop it with stop service name. The configuration file /etc/init/servicename.conference contains a line indicating when to start the service, start on. An easy way of disabling these services is to change that line to start on never and. If you don't want to edit the file, you can also completely disable the service without confusing the packaging system by renaming it to not end in.conference. As of Ubuntu 10.04, Apache comes with the Syslinit script and MySQL comes with an Upstart script.